Hi everyone, I'm Shivani. Today we are going to discuss topic about flowchart and flowchart symbols, which is chapter 1. The contents are definition of flowchart, flowchart overview and symbols of flowchart and a simple example. First of all, what is a flowchart? So a flowchart, it is a diagram that represents a flowchart or process. So we can say it shows the steps as boxes of various kinds, and by connecting the boxes with arrows. Flowchart can be defined as diagrammatic representation of an algorithm, so that it illustrates a solution model to a given problem. Flowcharts are used in various fields like analyzing, designing, documenting, or managing a process. So we can say it is a powerful business tool with proper business and construction, and also it communicates the steps in a process very effectively. The process of drawing a flowchart for an algorithm is called flowcharting, because a flowchart is nothing but a pictorial representation of an algorithm, so that it is called as flowcharting. Next is the overview of flowchart. Here, as we know, flowcharts are used in designing, documenting, or programs, and also they are widely used in many fields to improve study, planning, and communicate often like complex process in clear and easy to understand diagrams. We have like other diagrams, they help what is going on, and thereby the people to understand a process and features within it. We have other diagrams, other popular diagrams also, such as like data flow diagrams, UML, which is unified modeling language, and activity diagrams. Here we have two most common types of boxes in the flowchart. They are a processing step, which is called as activity and denoted by rectangular box, and a decision, which is denoted as a diamond. Flowcharts, as they are used in a variety of purposes in manufacturing, architecture, business, technology, education. Here we have flowcharts that are used today are project planning, project like process documentation, program or system design, and map computer algorithms, etc. Flowchart symbols. So here these are the basic flowchart symbols and most commonly used symbols. They are first process symbol. Process symbol is also known as action symbol. This symbol, like this shape, it represents a process, action, or function, and it is most widely used symbol in flowcharting. And start or end symbol, which is also called as terminator symbol. This represents start and end points within the shape. And document symbol represents the input or output of a document, like we have example of input are receiving a report, email, or order, and example of output is presentation, memo, or letter. Decision symbol. This symbol is it is a diamond, it has diamond shape, and it is used to represent a decision point in the process, like the statement in the symbol will require a yes or no response, and it will branch to the different parts of the flowchart accordingly. And next is the connector symbol. It indicates that the flow continues where a matching symbol, like it containing the same letter which has been placed. Off page connector or link symbol. This is frequently used within the complex charts, like it represents it separate symbol, like it connects separate elements across multiple pages. Next, input output symbol. This symbol represents data that is available for input output, like material or information entering or leaving the system, such as like customer order, which is input, and product, which is output. And comment. comment or note symbol. Here we have which explains us about the comments, like we have to add needed explanation or comments within the specified range, and also it may be connected by the dashed line in the flowchart as well. Next, arrows, it will be the flow of an output from one activity to another, like it is the direction of the flow in the flowchart. And by combining all the symbol, we have here flow chart, which is starts which has start, and we'll get into input and to the next condition, that is process step 1, and next condition process set 2, step 2, and output and stop. So here we have a decision symbol which has yes or no. This is a simple example that we are going to use here. The question of this is actually, this example is about put the light of a lamp on. The question is, how do we check if the lamp works or not? The start situation is lamp does not work, and then it will go to the next step, that is condition 1. Check if the light of the lamp is switched on. If yes, it will go to the next condition. If it is no, then switch the light on. Next, it will go to the next step, that is conditional 2. Check if the light bulb is in order. If it is yes, it will go to the next condition. If it is no, replace the light bulb for new one. And it will go to the next third step. Does the lamp function? If it is yes, then the problem is solved. If it is no, replace the lamp with new one. And if yes, problem is solved, then it will end the flowchart here. And here is the end of the chapter 1. Thank you.